Welcome to my channel Unavum Arogyamum. Today I will show you the clinical deficiency symptoms of different nutrients. If you are not taking balanced diet, nutritional status will be affected and results in deficiency signs and symptoms. Okay, come let us discuss about the deficiency symptoms of various nutrients that is commonly available. This picture shows the protein deficiency signs. Actually, this is seen only in children, mainly in slum areas children. You just see the picture, that is kwashiorkor. The name of the deficiency sign is kwashiorkor. The child will be having wasting of muscles and edema, then swollen belly. Apart from that, the color, hair color is brown, and it will not occur in adults. The next vitamin is C. Actually, the vitamin C deficiency leads to scurvy. This will be seen both in adults and children, but mainly it is seen among the adults. Actually, this deficiency, it happens gingivitis, that is bleeding in gums. If not treated, it leads to loosening of the teeth. And also, hemorrhage will occur inside the legs, that is purpura or red spot, it will occur. And this is the major clinical symptoms of vitamin C. It can be treated by taking 40 mg of vitamin C per day. Mainly it is seen among the citrus fruit varieties. Iodine deficiency, this picture, it leads to goiter. It is mainly seen in adult and also in pregnant ladies. Pregnant ladies have an adverse effect on the children. This goiter, it will be seen in 3 stages, stage 1, 2 and 3. 1, the thyroid gland, it will not be seen visibly. Second stage, it will be seen visibly. When we are talking, it will easily, we can find out. And the last stage is this picture, final stage. And this can be avoided by taking iodized salt. Now the government is distributing iodized salt for preventing the goiter. This picture shows vitamin A deficiency symptoms in children mainly. First one, night blindness, and the next one is bite out spot. There will be a triangular spot occurs in the eye, and it may leads to permanent blindness also. Actually, this vitamin A is present in dark green and yellow vegetables, and even the research shows that the cataract, number of rates of cataract also decreases if they are taking high amount of vitamin A. Actually, to prevent this, vitamin A solution should be administered to the children. Next deficiency is calcium. Mainly in adult, it leads to osteoporosis, that is in X-rays we can find out the porosity of the bones, and they are prone to more fractures also, and the height also will decrease on aging. And the next symptom is muscle cramps. We will get pain in the muscles. This is also due to calcium deficiency. Actually, it can be treated by taking higher amount of milk and milk products, greens like agathi and amaranth and other all greens are rich in calcium. This picture shows the zinc deficiency. The deficiency leads to alopecia, that is patches of hair losses occur in adults. And next is hypogeusia. Since taste buds are affected, they are now unable to find out the taste of a particular food. And next is hyposomia. Even they are unable to smell the taste of the food. And the zinc it is seen mainly in all the Bengal gram, then sprouted grams, oysters, crab and other seafoods. And in pregnancy, zincs play an important role for the development of the brain. This picture shows the deficiency of vitamin D in coordination with calcium deficiency. Actually, the vitamin D deficiency leads to rickets. That is, the first one is knock knees. Then next is bow legs. The legs, it will be like bow. And the other thing is pigeon chest. And also it may leads to delayed closure of anterior frontale. This will be happening mainly for the children, those who are not exposing themselves to sunlight. It will be happening in 1 or 2 years of the age group and not in adults. Picture shows the deficiency of iron. It leads to anemia, and the clinical symptoms is they are having pale skin, and then the in case of nails, it will be the thing is called as koilantia, that is spoon shaped nails. Apart from that, they will be having anemia, edema, and even itching will be seen. And this anemia mainly seen in pregnant ladies and adolescent age group. They are the most vulnerable group, leads to anemia. So they should take iron rich foods to avoid this. Shows the B complex deficiency vitamins, that is riboflavin, niacin, pyridoxine along with iron. Actually it leads to mouth ulcers. Among mouth ulcers they will be having angular scoliosis, that is the corner of the mouth will be affected, and stomatitis, that is inflammation of the mouth, and glossitis, that is inflammation of the tongue. And this is commonly seen both in adults and also in children. It can be treated by taking whole grains, pulses, and also all the fruits with skin and also nuts with skin. This picture shows the graying of hair due to deficiency of B6, B12, D3, biotin, vitamin E, copper and calcium. This can be avoided by taking a balanced diet. So from this video you have understand the nutritional signs and symptoms. So take a balanced diet to avoid this. If you like this video, you share it, like it and subscribe it. Thank you.